Here at Vermeer, one of our main goals is to manufacture innovative, reliable, and fuel-efficient equipment for your fleet. The Vermeer BC1000XL brush chipper is one of those machines. Let's walk through exactly what makes it innovative, reliable, and efficient. First, the BC1000XL has a large in-feed opening that's 12 inches tall and 17 inches wide. This design can help boost productivity by decreasing the number of trim cuts needed prior to processing. As material reaches the cutter drum, the Vermeer exclusive Smart Feed system monitors engine RPM and automatically stops or reverses feed rollers when feeding larger hardwood material. Smart Feed also senses feed roller jams and responds by automatically shifting material back and forth, reducing the need for manual control bar manipulation. You can choose between 3 RPM droop settings to fit the job site and material density for optimal chipping. Another reason to be confident in a Vermeer BC1000XL is the 3-year, 3,000-hour limited warranty rider on the drum housings, cutter drum, shaft, and ring fetter hubs, which is in addition to the 1-year, 1,000-hour Vermeer new equipment limited warranty. The BC1000XL is powered by reliable gas and diesel engine offerings to suit your fleet and productivity needs. The 89 horsepower EFI engine from PSI offers the most horsepower, while the Deutz 74 horsepower and 49 horsepower diesel options provide an alternative solution that may have common fuel with your tow vehicle. Another great feature is the Eco-Idle engine control system, which can help minimize fuel consumption and lower sound power on the job site if you're feeding the chipper infrequently or have interruptions. You can select the Eco-Idle system function and it will automatically lower the engine speed to a preset lower RPM if no material has been chipped for 1 or 5 minutes, as selected by the operator. The BC1000XL is also equipped with a clutchless PTO. The throttle integrated with the belt drive engagement process allows the PTO to only be engaged while the engine is at low idle or low RPM. Automatically, the engine throttles up to full RPM after the belt drive is fully engaged. This system helps to minimize premature wear to the belt drive system by preventing high idle engagement of the cutter drum and eliminates the need for a clutch, reducing maintenance and service needs. All Vermeer brush chippers are designed with safety in mind and equipped with a bottom feed stop bar. This bar is strategically located to make it possible for an operator's leg to strike the bar and shut off the feed mechanism. The Reset Hold to Run button on each side of the in-feed housing allows you to readily reset the system if the bar is tripped. The single horizontal feed roller direction is controlled also by an upper feed control bar with 4 positions: stop, forward, neutral, and reverse. Another important piece of this machine is the control panel. It's located on the curb side of the unit. This allows operators to have convenient access to the necessary gauges or Eco-Idle system and Smart Feed droop setting switches while the machine is in operation. One last feature to point out is the discharge chute. A standard hand crank rotates the discharge chute 270 degrees. Adjustable chute positions allow chip boxes to be filled evenly while directing chips away from the in-feed area. That's the BC1000XL brush chipper. With its innovative and fuel-efficient features, it can be a great addition for your operation. For more information on the BC1000XL and other Vermeer brush chippers, visit Vermeer.com or contact your local dealer.